Good morning, children. Today I will give fair note for the lesson uses of plants. Already we completed the lesson in previous class. So today I will give question answers of this lesson. Okay, children. All members open your fair notebooks and start writing. Okay. First question like this. You have to first of all you have to keep the heading of the lesson like this: uses of plants. Okay, uses of plants. So what is the first question from our textbook? What do plants give us? What is the first question? What do plants give us? Okay, what is the question? What do plants give us? Already we discussed in our lesson. What we discussed, plants will give so many things to us. Plants give so many useful things to us, such as food grains, vegetables, fruits, wood, cotton, spices, oil seeds and pulses, and some more things like medicine, next oxygen gas, next shelter to some animals. So many things we discussed in our lesson, but here I will write only few things. Okay, only few things I will write as an answer. Such as food grains, fruits, vegetables, pulses, oil seeds, spices, fiber, wood, oxygen, etc. Okay. What do plants give us? Plants give us many useful things such as food grains, fruits, vegetables, pulses, oil seeds, spices, fibers, wood, oxygen, etc. Okay, but these total things I wrote here, but you can learn any four enough for you. Okay, you can learn any four enough. Why? Because now you are this total things may be somewhat difficult to you. So that's why any four you have to learn among this all. Okay, now this total right. What do plants give us? Plants give us many useful things such as food grains, fruits, vegetables, pulses, oil seeds, spices, fibers, wood, oxygen, etc. Okay, children. Now I will write a second question. Second question. What is the second question from our textbook? Say what is the second question? Where does paper come from? What is the question? Where does paper come from? Where does paper come from? Okay, then answer. Paper is made from pulp of bamboo. Okay, paper is made from pulp of bamboo. This bamboo is also one type of the tree. From the pulp of bamboo, paper can be prepared. Okay. Then what you have to write it? Paper is made from pulp of bamboo. Okay. Now write this second question. What is the question? Where does paper come from? Okay. Then what you have to write it? You have to write it. Paper is made from pulp of bamboo. B-A-M-B-O-O. Okay, ma? Next, third question from our textbook. What is the third question? Why do we use spices? What is the third question? Why do we use spices? Okay. Then already in lesson we discussed about the spices. What we said there? We discussed that the spices are also one of the things we are deriving from the plants, and these spices are giving taste, color, and flavor to our food. What they are giving? Taste, color, and flavor to our food. So at that time I said some examples of the spices also. Cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, next turmeric also belongs to the spices, pepper. These are some of the spices. Okay, now we will write it. Spices will give color, taste and flavor to our food. Okay. Spices gives color, taste, flavor to our food. Okay. Why do we use spices? What is the question? Why do we use spices? Then answer. Spices gives color, taste, flavor to our food. Right. Okay, my children, fourth question I will write it. I will write the second question and I will write fourth question. What is the fourth question from our textbook? Which gas do we need for burning? What is the question? Which gas do we need for burning? Okay, children. In lesson we discussed about the oxygen gas. There what I said, oxygen gas is very important for the breathing of the organisms. Means what? We are inhaling the oxygen. What we are doing? We are inhaling the oxygen. So, in the same manner, the burning substances also need oxygen to burn. Okay? Without oxygen, the flame will be put off. So, oxygen, what is the oxygen? One of the gas which is stimulating the burning, which increasing the burning. So, there what we can write the answer, which gas do we need for the burning? The breathing gas only known as the burning gas. Understood, no? Oxygen is only known as the burning gas. Now, what you have to write here? Which gas do we need for burning? Then you have to write oxygen. Enough. Oxygen. Okay. Okay, children. Next class we will discuss some more question and answers and remaining bits also there in your textbook, such as true or false, choose the right answer, next match the followings, and some more bits also there in your textbook. And next class we will discuss about the further topics. Okay, children.